Good morning, students. In this class, I am going to discuss about principal constituents of cost. Before doing the cost estimation of a product, one should know the constituents of estimation. The total estimated cost of a product consists of the following cost component. Number 1, design cost. Number 2, drafting cost. Number 3, R&D cost. Number 4, material cost. Number 5, labor cost. Number 6, inspection cost. Number 7, cost of tools. Excuse me. Jigs and fixers and overhead cost. So we are going to see one by one. What is design cost? The cost of a design of a product is estimated by ascertaining the expected time for the design of the product. The estimated design cost is calculated the product of estimated design time multiplied by the salary of the designer per unit time. So from this we can easily calculate the design cost. The design time can be estimated on the basis of similar products already designed in the past or in the basis of good judgment of designer. If the design of the product is done by some outside agency, the total amount paid to outside agency gives the cost of design. Then we are moving to discuss about the drafting cost. After the completion of the design, the drawing have to be prepared by draftsman. For calculating drafting cost, the estimated time to be consumed by draftsman for preparing drawings is multiplied by the salary, that means remuneration of the draftsman per unit time. So from this we can easily calculate drafting cost. Then R&D cost. Considerable time and money has to be spent on research and development work. The research may be theoretical, experimental or developmental research. The estimated time and the costs to be incurred on it are decided by judgment or based on past experience. Then we are moving to material cost. For calculating material cost, the following steps involved in the estimation of material cost. The first step, prepare the list of all materials required to manufacture the product. Then estimate the weight of all material which is expected to be used in the manufacturing of the product. So for calculating the material cost, you have to find the weight of the part, that is multiplied by the future price. Finally, the estimated cost of all parts is added to get the total estimated material cost for the product. The next one is labor cost. Labor cost, for calculating labor cost, the estimated labor time needed to complete the product, which is multiplied by the cost of labor per hour. To estimate the labor cost, the estimator should have the thorough knowledge of the various operations to be performed, machines to be used, sequence of operations, tools to be used, and labor rates. Then the next is inspection cost. While estimating the inspection cost, one should consider the cost of inspection equipments, gauges and consumables, and wages to the inspectors. So the expenditure spent on inspection equipments, quality persons, etc. The next one is cost of tools, jigs and fixtures. The estimated cost of a product includes the estimated cost and maintenance charges for the tools, jigs, fixtures and dies required in the production. The cost of the tools, jigs, fixtures, etc. are estimated considering their present prices, market trend, and the number of times a particular tool can be used during its lifetime. Okay. Then we are moving to the overhead cost. Overhead expenses are those which cannot be charged directly a particular product manufactured. All expenses other than the direct material cost, direct labor cost and direct expenses are known as overhead cost or indirect expenses. Administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses are also added to the overhead cost. The overhead cost may be estimated by referring to the records of overhead cost in the similar parts produced in the past. Thank you.